And the speaker for today is going to be Soham Sharkar. So Soham, you can turn on your camera now. Yeah, Soham is the cloud facilitator for GDSC RCC IIT this year. He will be taking you through all the details of 30 days of cloud and everything you need to know about it, how to register, what are the tracks, what is in it for you, all of that. We're going to be covering. And if you have any questions today during the session, you can put it in the Q&A chat, and one of the mods will take it up, or Soham or I could answer it during the session. All right. So Soham, over to you. You can take it from here.
So, hello everyone. Hope you are quite excited about the program, and let's start. Shupati, can we move over to the next one, please?
Sure.
Yeah. So let's see the session agenda for today. At first, we will have the brief introduction to cloud computing about what is it actually. Then we will discuss about Google Cloud and the scope and the opportunities you can possibly expect out of it. After that, we will have the program about what it actually is. After that, we will see the program timelines. Then we will move forward to the program tracks, and then we will discuss about the amazing part, the swags, and then we can have all of your queries answered. Yeah. Next one, please. Yeah. So what is cloud computing and what exactly it is, and why should you possibly care about cloud computing? So we have been hearing the buzzword, I mean the cloud and the cloud computing for quite a long time, and after that let us explain some of the features about what cloud actually is, so and why everybody is talking about it. So some of the features of the cloud are it have the feature of resource pooling, which means that your cloud provider basically uses a tenant model architecture, and allocates you some of the physical or virtual resources over the, I mean, web, and you can use it as you want. But from that, cloud is basically highly scalable, and it can meet all your needs, and also economically friendly, which is a big factor. I mean, if you are managing the a company or something like that, and you need to focus uh, largely on the economy part. Okay, so after that, we have the on-demand self-service. So on-demand self-service is basically if you just want to enable something, I mean, if you possibly want to use a cloud function which can basically whenever you upload a image, and return maybe thumbnail to a particular folder, you can do it whenever you want. And after that, what we have is a easy maintenance, and so for that, you don't have to focus on anything from the front end. Everything about the working is clearly taken care of in the back end, and it is and a complete model of abstraction is maintained for the purpose. After that, we have the security part. Cloud is highly secure, and in that, we the major providers like the Azure, the Google Cloud platforms, they care about everything, about what you need and everything of the sort. Next slide, please. Yeah. So let's see. So cloud technology is a delivery of different services through the internet using data storage, servers, databases, networkings, and software. So what happens is we have the data centers all over the world, spanning all over the world, so that you can connect from anywhere and have a seamless experience for the purpose. And after that, we have the cloud based storage, which makes it possible to save like files from anywhere and like retrieve it from anywhere. So you can do a lot with it, and you possibly don't have to like worry about anything. I mean, everything is like taken care of by the like providers itself. Next slide, please. Yeah. So let's focus on cloud as a career option. So as we received the like insight from the last year's to this year, there has been a like 33% of hikes in the like cloud computing jobs, and actually like cloud is the future. I mean, everything you can expect, like whether you are viewing a video on the web or possibly making a transaction or anything. I mean, everything like happens on the cloud, or you are like just opening a Jupyter notebook through the cloud platform to like get the support of the GPUs, which are which in most of the cases are like have. Oh, like, let's move on. Next slide. Yeah. So as you can see, the various news across the world. So focusing on the like cloud, like what actually are the opportunities with the cloud, like the Wipro, the Tech Mahindra, the Google Cloud. Actually, a lot of companies are like using the GCP platform primarily to like help like manage everything. I mean, be it load balancing or like anything, like the compute engines or the cloud functions or the like cloud APIs. They help to a larger extent. Let's move to the next slide, please. Okay, so in India, based on a like survey, what we got is the average pay scale for a cloud engineer is about 10 lakhs, like on an average, and it can like go up to 20 to 25. Okay, next one, please. Okay, so apart from that, we also have some sort of like cloud certifications. I mean, Google does offer like cloud certifications. For that, you can like become associate cloud engineer, like certified by Google, and actually those batches carry a large amount of like weightage. If you are like interviewing for a particular like cloud role in any company, uh, those like actually carry weightage and can like prove that you have the like necessary skills to fit in the role. Yeah. So as you can see from the like statistics, 87% of the Google Cloud certified individuals are more confident about their skills actually. So like the exam is like held on a thorough basis based on the like cloud concepts and everything on it. After that, we have the like professional cloud architect, was the highest paying certification of 2020 and 2019. So you can like possibly like guess about what actually weightage it carries. And more than 1 in 4 out of the Google cloud certified individuals took on more responsibility or leadership roles at work. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so in Bangalore, based on the results as provided by Glassdoor, we have pay scale of 21 lakhs on an average, like on a basis, on an average basis pay scale, and it can like soar high at times if you are like more skilled or like confident in the aspect. So the next one, please. Yeah, so as you can see, these are the different cloud roles which you can work for in the industry. Like the first is the like foundational one. So in the foundation, by hearing the like keyword, you can like fairly guess that it is clearly a like freshie or something like that with like no hands-on experience. Like after that, we have the associate, uh, like they have around like 6 months plus like working experience in the Google Cloud, and like possibly work with the like core cloud fundamentals. I mean the compute engine, the GKEs, the APIs, like managing or writing a script maybe. Okay. So after that we have the Looker certifications. So it is another like role. So it is a Looker business analyst role, and and another role is also there, like Look ML developer. So they come with the like ML integrations based on the cloud. After that we have the like professional one. In that as you can see, like in the professional the experience is like carries some sort of weight. I mean it is important for a professional to have the sufficient knowledge and the experience to fit in the industry. And in that we have the like cloud architect, the cloud developer, the data engineer. I mean those guys who work to make cloud provide a like a better experience to every individual who are like using, or every company who are using. So we can move on to the next one. So after all this, let's focus on what our program actually is about. So it is the introduction to 30 days of Google Cloud, the annual cloud campaign for the DSCs all across the India. So next slide, please. Yeah. So in 30 days of Google Cloud, you will be provided with an opportunity to kickstart your career in cloud and get hands-on experience on the Google Cloud platform, the tool that powers apps like like Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. And in that like we have the like two tracks, the like cloud engineering track and the data engineering, and the data science and ML track. So yeah, in that, like all the labs are beginner friendly, and it is basically operated on a skill like on a like skill badge and like quest basis. So here from DSC RCC IIT, I will be facilitating the like cloud program for this year, and we can move ahead, please. Yeah. So what are actually your benefits in the like 30 days? So in the cloud program, you will be given access to quick labs, and quick labs credits will be provided to you. And what you have to do is like follow the tracks, and enroll in one of the one or like both the quests, and complete labs out of it. I mean they are fairly beginner friendly, and they can give you a lot of learning outcome out of it. Like you can get a lot of learning outcome out of it. And after that you get digital badges, whenever you complete a quest or something like that, or a skill badge, you basically get a like badge as a token of your what you have achieved. So you can share the public profile link with HRs, and they can actually like they know what the like badges mean. I mean what weightage does it actually carry. After that there is an option to share your accomplishments in like various platforms like the Facebook, the LinkedIn. I mean you can engage in like social promotion of your profile. Next one, please. Okay. So let's see how you can like kickstart your career in Google Cloud. So first, we are having this like kickoff like kind of introductory and like training session, and after that the like actual program is there, which will be running for an entire month. That is from the 27th of September to 27th of October. And after that, what you achieve in the program, based on that you can get like goodies or swags, and also certifications if you like complete one or both the tracks. So let's move on to the next one, please. Okay. So as I like said earlier, that there are two tracks in the program. The first is a cloud engineering track, and the second one is a data science and machine learning track. So in the cloud engineering track, you can like learn about the basic like core concepts about the cloud by like hands-on labs, of course, and in that like focus is mainly given to the like the compute engines and the like Kubernetes engine and the cloud functions. Like it will be helpful to like drive your way around the like cloud platform. And the track 2 is more of like a bit of advanced track, and it has the like data science and machine learning track, though it is also like beginner friendly, but it is always advisable to like get yourself done with the like cloud engineering track and move on to the like data science and machine learning track. So let's move on to the next one, please. Yeah. So in the cloud engineering track, we are having 6 quests, and in the quest, let me like just like walk you through what quests are actually. In quest, you can like get training for a number of labs. I mean, like in like say a quest has like 6 labs. So the sixth one always happens to be a challenge lab. Based on the rest 5, what you actually learn from the 5 labs, you can like have your knowledge tested, and you can like get the quest badge for that, or the like skill badge. So the next one, please. So in the data science and the machine learning track, as you can see, like there also are 6 quests, but the first one from the like both the tracks is common. So, and in the course of the like program, you can also like find that many of the labs you have like done are common. So it won't like be much of a hassle for you. So let's move on to the next one, please. Okay, so what are the like Google Cloud skill badges? So as I was telling, like after like you get your labs done, I mean the training labs done, you will have to like pass through a challenge lab. So in the challenge lab, you will have to like use all of the like skill which you have achieved throughout the labs, and then pass it. And one thing worth mentioning here that is that like you need to pass every lab. I mean you have to like secure 100 out of 100 if it is a like score based lab, to like have the like green tick over there, which means that you have like done the lab. So after that, please. Yeah. So let's have a look at what the campaign schedule actually looks like. So over to the next. Yeah. So the student registrations open on 22nd of September, which is tomorrow at 5 p.m. IST. And in that, you have to like visit the campaign website, which like we will like provide. I guess it's already provided, and after that you can like register from there using the public profile URL, which like we had informed you to keep it created beforehand, as we have the 50,000 like registrations quota all over India. So it will be based on a first come first serve basis, and from the form you have to select DSC RCC IIT as your like college name, as like you are participating under our institution. Like yeah, so after that you will receive an acceptance mail. I mean like if you have successfully enrolled within the first 50,000 people, so you will like get a like acceptance mail, and in that acceptance mail you will like receive all your informations regarding like where to get the credits from, because whenever you are like doing any labs, you will like require credits for it. I mean the like the premium labs which are like part of the tracks. And after you like get the credit, you can like like start doing the labs within the deadlines and complete it within the deadline, and you have to like finish it by 27th of October to be eligible for rewards. And like it's worth mentioning here that to receive like rewards here are the swags or and also the certificate if you have like completed either one of the track or both of it. So if you so we will move on to the like reward part in the later part. And yeah, so it is not only a 30 days of Google Cloud, but it is also a 30 days of learning, building, sharing, and also growing. Like you can like interact with with the community which like you will be a part of, like the DSC RCC IIT community for the Google Cloud program. And like you can interact with each other and maybe like network uh, and create like valuable connections for life maybe. Okay, so like let's move on to the next one. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier about the like quick labs credits for the students. So everyone gets free credits on enrolling for the program. Like on successfully enrolling, you will get the like credits, and the like ways to redeem the credit will be like shared to you in the advancement of the program. Okay, so the next one please. So how the students will get credit pass? So I have actually like covered it. So next one please. So so let's now move on to the like most exciting part, the swags. I mean, after the like digital batches and like improving your quick labs profile for the cloud program, what you can like expect to receive in recognition for all the like work and you are doing within the like program timeline. So let's see. So if you complete either of the track, I mean, if you like complete the cloud engineering track or the machine learning track, I mean the data science and the machine learning track, any one of them, you will get a like t-shirt and a sticker pack along with the like certificate. And if you complete both the tracks within the deadline, then you will receive a t-shirt along with a sticker pack and also a like bag, Google Cloud branded backpack, and a like thermoflask. So how cool is it? Let's move on to the next one please. Okay, so you can like if you aren't actually a part of our WhatsApp, any of the WhatsApp groups yet, you can join the WhatsApp group from here. You can like follow the link. I would request any of the mods to like give it on the chat. Okay, the next one please. Okay, so you can also like join the Discord server, as announcements will be posted there also by following this link. And you can like join from the like chat. The next one please. Okay, so we have our website solely based on the like Google Cloud program, and you can visit from this domain, and I will also like walk you through about the website in the later part. And after that you can like join the GDSC chapter and the community, and like tune in to any of our future events. The next one please. Okay, so whoever like completes any of the track and also like there will be like people who will complete both the tracks, so they will be featured in our Hall of Fame, which will be like posted in the course of our event, and it will be updated on a daily basis, and you can check your progress from there. And if you complete any of the tracks or both of them, you can get featured in our hall of fame. Okay, the next one. Okay, so thank you, and let me walk you through the website. So I would request Shuprotik to stop sharing, and I will represent myself. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, so as you can see, we have the website for the 30 days of Google Cloud over here, and you can visit us our main website from here. You can get a more insight about the event page, and actually registration will begin from here only. I mean, if you visit this one, you will see this page, and here we you will get the form link tomorrow at 5 p.m. IST sharp, and you can register from it by all the steps we mentioned. And just let me go back, and here from here you can have visit our GDSC community and join the chapter. You can visit the FAQs for the program from here. And after this, here are the both of the tracks, and you can visit the quests and enroll in them. Let me just show you one of them. Yeah, so you can enroll in this, and as I mentioned earlier, that there will be the training labs, and ultimately you will have a challenge lab. So this one is the challenge lab, based on the entire learning which you will achieve from all these labs. Okay, so and you can get a brief overview from here, and visit our social pages from here. Okay, so okay, so let me just share or walk you through the quick labs, and many of you have some sort of problem with the quick labs, and let me show you. So as you can see, so if we mentioned to keep this one as done uh, prior to the registration, as it will enable you to get access to the public profile URL, which will be necessary while you register in the event. So you can get all the steps from here. I mean, read it through all of them to get a better understanding of what actually they are focusing on for this particular lab, and it will help you in the future when you are I mean starting with the tracks. So you can know where which thing is present in the cloud console where. So you can just start lab from here. Just a minute, and you can, it will take up some time to generate the credentials, temporary credentials, and after that it's taking so much of time. Okay, so just let me just skip it for now, and after that, after you are done with this lab, uh, yeah, after you are done with this lab, you can go to the my learning tab, and you can see the view public profile option from there. I think my net is disturbing.
So if you're facing network issues, you can tell me, I can share.
Yeah, you can, like, if it's not a problem.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, it is visible.
All right. So basically, what I think what Swam was trying to say is this is the Quick Labs your homepage, and after you create a Quick Labs account, you need to go to this tab, My Learning tab, and over here in this particular tab, uh, for some reason it's causing problems is here as well. Okay, fine. I think there's something wrong with the site and the sharing. So that's fine. Since we can't show it over here, we're gonna send a screenshot of it and an explanation of it in Discord and on WhatsApp. So I think that's fine. And if Soham doesn't have anything left to add, then we can start concluding the session.
Yeah, I'm like
Yeah.
done.
So basically, just adding on to whatever Soham told you all of you today, that all about this 30 days of cloud. One thing I want all of you to keep in mind: this is nothing to be intimidated by. That this is something for that absolute beginners can benefit from. It's meant for absolute beginners, right? So stay active in the Discord, in the WhatsApp groups, and seek help anytime you are stuck. Soham and everyone else, the rest of the participants, all of them will be always ready to help you out in any way. And feel free to share your progress as you complete the labs in the Discord. We have a channel for that, and just share what you are learning with us, right? And apart from that, after you finish, I think one of the questions was the what is the benefit of finishing a lab, all the tracks earlier than the others. There is no benefit in respect to getting your certificate and your goodies. One thing that does happen if you do that is you get featured higher up on the Hall of Fame in our website. So yeah, that's something you get out of it. So I think there's some more questions. We're gonna take them before we conclude.
Yeah,
So do you want to take a question from Prashant?
yeah, sure. So, referring to your like query, Prashant, you can find the access code. I mean, can you like specify if you are like asking for the access code which like is being asked when you like start a lab? As there are like two options, like you can either start a lab by the credits or by an access code. So I think that you are referring to that. So for the access code, you don't like need to worry about anything at the moment. So you can like like continue with the credits once you are provided with the same after enrollment in the program. So I think that answers your query. Yeah. Okay. So Amit, is there any specific time for the completion of labs? Yeah. Like each of the labs are like have a like timer of their own. I mean like you can like some labs are of 30 minutes maybe, or some labs are of 45 minutes, like based on whatever you have to do within that time. So like there is a like time for that, and if you are asking like about the program, then you have to like complete the labs by the program deadline, which is 27th of October, once you have like enrolled in the program. And I think like that answers your question. Okay, so we have to register on quick labs before registering tomorrow. Yeah, actually it is advisable to register on Quick Labs like before registering, as it will only like speed up your registration process. I mean, by you will have the public profile URL created beforehand, and you can just proceed with it once the form opens
Right.
and secure your.
Srijani is asking, can I start from tomorrow? The registrations will start from tomorrow, but I think the actual event from when you can start your labs, it starts on 27th, if I'm not wrong. Isn't it so?
Yeah,
All right. That answers your question. I think we have some more.
I have one
How
from.
will the registration link be received? Sunitra is asking.
Yeah,
Right. So the make sure you join the WhatsApp group and the Discord server, both. And one more thing I'm going to ask all of you to join is the GDSC RCCID chapter on the event platform. In that way, we can mail all the important information to you. So you can just can one of the mods just put the link for the event page in the chat, and all of you can just go there and click on the join button. If you've already joined, that's fine. Right? Abhijit is asking, I've already completed a few labs in Quick Labs. So do I need to create another profile for this program? Can I use my existing profile? All right. So this is a very important point that you do need a brand new Quick Labs profile to enroll for this program, because any previously completed labs prior to 27th won't be counted. Right. So you can just create a new profile and then share the link of that profile when you register. All right.
yeah.
Cool. Okay. So do we have any more questions?
Yeah, we have another question in the general section asked by Kushal Das.
All right. Can you read it out?
Yeah, the given credits will be enough for completing both the labs, or it is just for one lab?
I will take
Uh,
it up. Yeah.
Go ahead. Go
So
ahead. Go ahead.
actually, what credit you will receive is a monthly subscription based on which you can try out one lab for a maximum of 5 times, and after that, it violates your quota. So what you can do is, if you have reached that point and you need to reattempt the lab, then you can just contact their support and get the access from them. Yeah.
All right. So I think we have answered most of the questions that we had. Okay, we have some more. Is there any restriction to join the lab with the mail ID which we had joined? No, it's fine. You can use any email of your choice, but make sure that your Quick Labs account is new. It doesn't have any previously completed labs or previously earned badges, because those won't be counted then.
Yeah.
Right. So I think we have answered all the questions that we had for today.
So Pratik, we
Thank you
have
all.
yeah, some of the questions in the general section.
Okay, we can
Yeah.
take some of them up then.
Hmm.
You can go ahead.
Okay. There is a question asked by Rhythm. For all the swags, we need to complete both the courses before 27th October. Actually, you can you have to complete any of the tracks which you intend to like uh, like get evaluated for the completion of the program or the progress in the program by 27th October only. Then only you can get it evaluated and expect anything out of it.
Right. Someone has asked, for beginners, should we start with track 1 or track 2? You can start with either track. I think both the tracks, the first labs are for absolute beginners. Both of them start for absolute. The cloud engineering track is a bit longer, so I'd recommend starting with that one so that you don't stay lagging behind. You have to complete it within 27th of next month. So yeah. I would recommend starting with the cloud engineer track, but feel free if you want to start with the data science track. Either is fine. Is there any limit to the number of times we attempt the challenge lab if we fail to score max in the first attempt? No, there is no limit. Isn't so? Am I right? Right?
Actually, like they are also like the 5 times attempt quota is like valid. Yeah, after that you need not like have to worry, and you can just like contact the chat support, and they can like give you access to that if you require.
Yeah, and about the credits, I think the credits, I think 600 credits are provided to you. I
Actually,
mean, okay,
yeah.
whatever the number is, the credits are more than enough for you to finish both the tracks 2 times. All right. And after you, I'm sure after all of you finish both the tracks, you will have a number of credits left over, which you can still use to take more tracks after the program. And they remain valid for 6 months from day of grant. So yeah, the credits are no issue. So you can use them. Yeah. So please go ahead.
So like I want to add something like it is actually a monthly subscription. I mean, like spanning for the time which you can like from like that only, like the credits are like applicable. I mean, that is what it is. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
The next question we have Upasana asking, can we create the QuickLab profile before 27th September? You need to share the URL of your public profile during registration tomorrow. So make sure you create it before that. Okay. Uh, you need to, of course, for the public profile, you need to create your profile and then take a tour, the first lab that will be shared. The link for that will be shared. And after you take that lab, you'll get the option for the public profile and you can share that tomorrow. Can you provide the link in where to start? I can't find. Ujjwal, can you clarify? You mean starting the program or do you mean the registration link? I think it means the Quick Labs profile, right? So yeah, so the link for that was put in the chat. Can one of you put that link again? I think Soham can do that. So that's the first lab. Just take a tour, finish that lab, and you will get your public profile.
Okay. Sorry, I posted it in Q&A. Sorry.
That's fine. Okay, next. If I have previous Quick Labs account and some skill badges in it, will my 30 days of cloud skill badges be considered invalid? I think we answered this already, that you need a new profile and previous badges won't be counted. Do we get a certificate if any of the one of two courses is completed? Yes, you do. You get both certificates and your swags if you complete either of the two courses. But of course, you get more swags if you complete both the courses, and you get certificates for both. So that's that. Okay, I'm a student of another college, but as my college don't have GDS club, so I joined this. Is there no? There's no problem. You can do this program under GDSC RCCIIT, but make sure if anyone here is from other colleges, then what you need to do is when you register, select RCCIIT as the organization you are right. And then that should be fine. The rest of it should be fine. You can continue the program as is, and you will get your certification and your swags. All right. Do we have more questions? Gautami, can you just tell us if we have more questions?
Yeah, I think we have another question that is there any things which we have to be ready with other than the Quick Labs account?
No.
All
That's
right.
all.
Okay, so I think we have answered all the questions we had today. Uh, of course, if we missed out some question or you want to ask some question after the session, you can do that in the Discord server or on WhatsApp. One of us will get back to you. And make sure that you are ready tomorrow at 5 p.m. because the link will be shared sharp at 5 p.m. And I want all of you to register as soon as possible because there is a 50,000 cap for the entirety of India, and there are more than 350 GDSCs in India. So everyone will be registering very fast. So make sure that you register tomorrow itself at 5 p.m. as soon as the form is shared with you. Okay? The link of your website. Sure. I'll just put it in the chat and then we can conclude the session. Right. So I'm going to put the link of the website in the chat, and I think that's it for today. We will be having more sessions on cloud in the coming days if we require to answer all your questions and talk about cloud in general and about 30 days of cloud. So thank you everyone for attending today. It's great to have such a high number of attendees, uh, especially considering that this is a second event for GDSC RCCIIT. So this has been great. This has been really great, and thank you everyone. And see you all in Discord. We'll be hanging out there soon. So thank you, and you can start dropping off now.